Hello friends, Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, popping in today with a quick little surprise Christmas tutorial. Every year at Christmas, I do some sort of a Christmas tag that you can use as a stocking stuffer or a placeholder or something like that. And I had an idea pop in my head today and I thought, oh, let's do it. So I pulled out Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Christmas Lodge. This is the 2022 collection. I know you like to see the pattern, so we'll just take a quick flip through. This is a really beautiful collection with traditional reds and greens, lots of botanicals. It's just very Christmas in the country feeling. I love the ginghams, this beautiful cardinal pattern. These are 4x4s. These are 4x6s. This is the journal images, which are always so fun. And then these are pieces that I cut up to use for our project today. And you can see why I love this collection. It's truly beautiful. So let me put this aside and I'll show you what we're going to make. There's the pieces. That's a little sneaky peek. All right, friends, so this is what we're going to make. These are so cute. They are so quick. They're so easy. And they make a great little gift. These are graphic 45 square tags that I've scored a flap on. And then I made another small tag with the ATC tags and covered it with our patterned paper. We've got a little dressed up candy cane. We've got a little sentiment, so you can write your message on the back, or you can actually even turn it this way and use it as a place card and write their name on it, a Christmas tea bag, and a Christmas chocolate. And they all fit into this sweet little pouch, just as nice as you please. They look great on a table. They make a great little gift. Like, I'll probably have a basket of these made up, so that if I have a last minute something that I forgot, I can pull this out and give it really quick. You can tuck a gift card in there, a cash gift in there, tickets to a movie, whatever. So there you go, super cute. Little mitten charms on some, little ornament charms on the other, and then these snowflakes are Rene bouquets that I have heat embossed with powdered snow, which is my new favorite embossing powder. It just does a beautiful job for anything wintry. So I'm going to show you how to make these.
All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
You're going to love how quick and easy these are to make. You're going to start with a graphic 45 square tag, and I've used craft, but you can use ivory or you can use whatever color you want. Place it on your scoring tool so that this flat side is on the left, and score it at 3 1/4. When you fold it, you get this cute little domed piece. Once you've done all of your tags, scored them, you're going to go ahead and cut out your covers for your tag. And for this, you're going to need 12 tags. So the first thing you're going to do, figure out which tag you want to be on the outside, which tag you want on the inside. I want this, I believe, on the outside. So I'm going to put my adhesive on my tag, just like you would if you were covering it. And just cover your tag. Open your tag out, the craft tag out, and put your cover down. Burnish it. But because you've already creased, this is going to fold perfectly and everything is lined up nicely. Now, with a tag like this that has a directional pattern, you could either put this on the outside, or I did this on purpose so I could show you. Cut this at 3. Save this for another project. You can use it as a layer on a card, all sorts of things you can do with that. Bring in a corner rounder. If you have a 3/8 inch corner rounder, it's going to be perfect. Mine is 1/2 inch, but it still works. Now you're going to put your glue on this piece that you've rounded the corners on. You're going to line it up and there you go. There's your little pouch. Now bring in a piece of score tape, and I'm using 1/4 inch because I'm using 3/8 inch ribbon. If you're using a wider ribbon, you'll want to use a wider score tape. And on the back side of your tag, put your score tape down about 1/2 inch from the bottom edge. Then you need a piece of ribbon, and of course you're going to pick ribbon that goes well. And if you're doing this for a tablescape, you might want to use the same ribbon for everything, although mixing and matching is also very cute. Adhere this to the back side. Turn around. Pull your tails up and down. And then come in and make a simple little shoestring bow. The beauty about using double-sided ribbon is that you don't have the whole right side out issue to deal with. It just turns out well. Okay, make your bow. Now, if you wanted to do this without all the other inserts in, that would be really cute too. You could do this just as a gift card holder and it would be adorable. So lots of options. I just wanted to show you one all the way tricked out so you would know how to do it, but you could certainly keep it super simple and it would still be really fun. I've taken some rusty jingle bells and I put some gold string, actually it's thread, put a little dot of glue right here, and then I have a Christmas baker's twine bow that's going to go right there, and then I have one of these pretty Prima crystals. These are self-adhesive, but I find that they often need a little assist, so I put a little hot glue on there. So there's that. See how easy this is? Here's our little tag. I had these rusty Christmas trees that I picked up at a flea market somewhere. I sprayed these with can't remember the name of it. Hold on, let me put this down and I'll go grab it. This is one of the little ephemera pieces from the paper collection. And I'm going to tuck this in right here. I have a small snowflake I'm going to put down right here at an angle. I'm going to put some hot glue in the middle of that. And I'm going to take one of these and put it right here. Okay. Then I'm going to take a little more of my baker's twine. I'm going to cut a pretty long piece here. I'm folding it in half. See how easy this is? This would be a fun project to do on the weekend with kids because it's so simple. This goes through the grommet. Pull the legs through. Tie a knot. Trim. And another little piece of string. This time I'm just folding it in half. I've got one of these Tim Holtz vintage pins. I'm going to run this underneath the loop. And then I've got a little jump ring on my ornament. I'm going to put it over the end. This just helps it to dangle real pretty. All right. Tie another little shoestring bow. Little flower. These look really good with this paper collection. These are some older little birdies that I had in my stash. But they look really good with the paper collection. All right, so get your vintage pin where you want it to be and come in with your flower. Glue this down. Boom. There's your tag. Let that glue set up before you move forward. Then I've taken one of the 3x4 images and I cut a 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 inch piece of white paper. I'm just going to mat this. I'm going to take my snowflake. And because my bow is on the left, I'm going to put my snowflake on the right. And a gem in the center. And the last thing we need to do is, this is a Tim Holtz Christmas token. This is older. You could use anything. You could put a snowflake here, or you could just leave it as the grommet and that would be fine. I'm just running the legs through, tightening it up, and I'm just going to tie a little knot. We are done. How fast is that? Like, this is a great, quick and easy project. These are super, like if you're doing a little swap or like a family gift exchange, put your gift card in there. Okay, so now put the chocolate in, put the tea bag in, our 3x4, our adorable tag, and tuck the candy cane in like that, and boom, you're done. That's fast. That's cute. It's clever. It's a great way to give a little gift without, you know, spending a fortune on supplies. Use papers you already have in your stash. You can get the little mini candy canes at, I know Walmart has them every year, but most places will have those little mini candy canes. Or don't use the little candy canes. I mean, you know, make this, adapt this to what you want it to be. You could put in here anything you wanted to put in here. You could make a mini card instead of a tag. But aren't they cute? So fast, so easy. Great last minute gifts. Super for place cards. Wonderful stocking stuffers. You just can't go wrong. So that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you along for the journey. And I will put a link to my blog where I'll have a linked supply list. Some of these things are discontinued, but whatever I can link to, I will. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Go get your craft on. Bye.
Dashing through the snow with a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle